Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto with Jenny B, your plug to the world of crypto. And I'm so excited to help you get started. Let's go. But before we dive in, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That's where you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. All right? So today, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get your crypto wallet set up. Okay, but before we get to that, I will further explain cryptocurrency and why you need a wallet. In my previous video, I explained to you guys what cryptocurrency is, right? But now I am going to be discussing the types of cryptocurrency. Now, for those of you that missed my previous video, you can go ahead and watch it right here so you can catch up. We have several types of cryptocurrencies that run on the blockchain. The first cryptocurrency that came into existence is Bitcoin, also known as BTC. I'm sure many of us are familiar with that. Surprisingly, 10 years ago, one BTC was worth around $320. But presently, one Bitcoin is worth around $70,000. It's crazy, right? Other cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, USDT, USDC. It's a long list, okay? And these cryptocurrencies need to be stored in a wallet, not in a bank. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that cryptocurrencies fluctuate in price based on the market price movement, okay? Meaning the price could go up, it could come down. It's unstable, okay? But then again, we have what we call stable coins. Example of stable coins are USDT, USDC. I personally use USDC a lot. So these coins are called stable coins because they are stable. I mean, when you purchase them, the price don't go up or come down. It holds the value. For instance, if you are to buy $1,000 worth of BTC, the moment you purchase it, the tendency of it going up and down is there. Okay, it could go above $1,000, it could go below $1,000. But then if you were to use $1,000 to purchase a stable coin as USDT, the price holds. It doesn't go up. It doesn't come down. Okay, so you guys need to understand the difference between the two of them. Now, what I'm teaching you guys, you cannot get it anywhere else. I'm telling you. Shortly before we proceed to creating a wallet, there's something that I need to talk about, which is the types of wallets. So we have two types of wallets. We have decentralized wallet and centralized wallet. So I'm going to be focusing on decentralized wallet. Maybe the later time I can talk about decentralized wallet and also show you how to go about that. So a decentralized wallet doesn't have a third party. It means that you have custody over your wallet. Okay, one can only have access to your wallet when you authorize them to. So examples of decentralized wallets are Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, Nami Wallet. There are several of them. For the purpose of this teaching, we are going to be using Trust Wallet. So I'll be showing us step-by-step guide on how to set up your wallet. I'll be showing us how to create our Trust Wallet. Okay, so we head over to Play Store and then you install your Trust Wallet. Here's the Trust Wallet. Let me show us. It's here. Okay, so we open it. We open our Trust Wallet. After it's installed, you open it. So this is what you're going to see. Create new wallet. So because we are creating a wallet for the first time, we select create new wallet and then we choose the option of secret phrase and we click on secret phrase. create. And then what do we see here? We see backup secret phrase. So backing up, meaning you should store it. You need to store your secret phrase because it's more like a passcode. It's very, very, very important. Like, it's very important. So write it down in a book, store it, in your email, or, just store it. Now we're going to be clicking on backup manually. And also you need to know that your secret phrase, like if you lose your phone and then you need to reinstall your wallet, you need your secret phrase to import the already existing wallet. So without the secret phrase, you will lose your wallet. So imagine you had money inside, money will be gone. You understand? So that's why your secret phrase is very important. So we click on backup manually, and the secret phrase is the master key to your wallet, just like I explained to you guys. So tick, 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 and we click on continue. Sorry guys, so for security reasons, Trust Wallet do not let you screenshot or screen record the page where you have your seed phrase. So I'll just quickly put you through. We're almost there. So when you would have ticked the 3 boxes and continued, it will bring you to a page where you're going to see your seed phrase. So this seed phrase come in words. I think about 12 words. Okay, so you want to write it accordingly. It's numbered from 1 to 12. You want to write it accordingly. Store it safely, okay? Then when you're done storing the seed phrase, you want to click on continue. It then brings you to a page where you verify your seed phrase. They'll probably tell you to choose the number or, the seed phrase for this number, maybe like 4 of them. So you impute it and then, continue. I think that's the last process. So once you're done with that, you have your Trust Wallet, and that's it. It's very easy. Okay, start using Trust Wallet. So here's our Trust Wallet. This is what it looks like, and we are seeing BTC. So if someone was to send you, now I want to explain something to us. You need to understand how to send and receive cryptocurrency. So for instance, if someone needs to send you BTC, okay, if they need to send you BTC, all you need to do is to click on BTC. All right, what do you see here? You see send, you see receive, you see swap. Swap is to change, swap from one currency to another currency. You want to swap. That's the future. That's what the future is for. So you want to receive BTC. So you're going to click on receive. And here is your wallet address. Wallet address is different from your seed phrase. Don't mix it up. So wallet address is like an account number. It's like your account number is what you use to receive your cryptocurrency. So if someone was to send you BTC, this is what you're going to copy. So you click on copy, it copies, and then you send it to the person. The person is going to use your wallet address to send BTC to your wallet. And after some minutes, after some verification on the blockchain, you're going to see your money in your wallet. Okay, so also if you want to send cryptocurrency to someone, you click on send, and here, because you're the one sending, so the person is going to forward his address, his wallet address to you, and then you put the wallet address. Make sure it's a wallet address, because a lot of people lose money simply because of some mistakes, some errors that they make. So address or domain name means it's the same thing, wallet address. So we want to click, when you add the wallet address, then you click on the amount of BTC you want to send. There is no money in the wallet, on the wallet, so that's why it's showing insufficient. So click on whatever amount of BTC you want to send, and then it's this button next. You see it's not showing, the button over here is not showing. It's not like I can't click on it because there is no amount there. I don't have money there. So if peradventure I had money there, I'm putting the money, and the next is going to be clickable, and then I click it and proceed to confirm my transactions. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope that this video has really helped you. So if you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to help you. That's why I'm here. Okay? See you in my next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.